Have you ever pondered upon the intricate dance of energy that surrounds us, shaping our realities and influencing every facet of our lives? It's a question that often leads us down a path of deeper understanding, especially when we consider the realm of finances. But here's the kicker. For those tethered to a strictly down-to-earth perspective, the journey towards financial improvement often feels like an elusive chase. Why? Because there's an intangible yet profound spiritual aspect to manifesting abundance. It's about more than just crunching numbers or making smart investments. It's about aligning your energy with your financial aspirations. According to James Clear, best-selling author of Atomic Habits, changing your identity is the only way to create lasting change and achieve your goals. Your inner state comes first, so when you change it, the world around you will change accordingly. When your actions align with your spiritual values, you live authentically and in harmony with your beliefs and principles. This authenticity brings a deep sense of fulfillment and satisfaction, which are essential aspects of true richness. Set clear intentions to align your actions with your spiritual values, focusing on integrity, compassion, honesty, humility, and service to others. Mother Teresa dedicated her life to serving the poor and marginalized in society, embodying the spirit of selfless service and compassion. Her actions touched the lives of countless individuals and continue to inspire acts of kindness and generosity worldwide. Develop a deep understanding of your relationship with money. To do this, you need to take a step back and ask yourself some important questions. How do I see money? How do I feel about having it or not having it? What does money mean to me? It is said that money is the root of all evil. However, this statement could not be further from the truth. The fact is that money is one of the most powerful forces in the world. It can be used to do great things, and it can also be used to do terrible things. When you have money, you have power and influence over others. Money allows you to make changes in your life that would otherwise not be possible. Money has a frequency too. If you're always broke, then you know you're not at the same frequency as money. It's that simple. The actor and comedian Russell Brand openly shares his journey of spiritual awakening and recovery from addiction. He practices meditation, yoga, and mindfulness as part of his spiritual path, advocating for conscious living and compassion. Will Smith incorporates spiritual principles such as visualization, affirmations, and positive thinking into his daily routine. He emphasizes the power of mindset, intention, and belief in achieving success and fulfillment in life. Integrate spiritual principles such as gratitude, compassion, integrity, and service into your daily life and interactions with others. Stay open to new experiences, perspectives, and insights that deepen your spiritual understanding and growth. In the present world, everyone is busy in spending money, not in utilizing it. There is a huge difference between buying what we don't have and what we need. We are so much influenced by media and movies that we end up buying all the things just because someone says it makes our lives better. Spiritual Shastra says the real value of a personality is based on his own contentment and the knowledge about the self. So next time when you are about to buy something, ask yourself whether you really need that product. You might have heard stories about a beggar becoming a billionaire and vice versa. Everything revolves around karma. Even if you receive a huge amount of money, if it is not in your karma, you might end up in bankruptcy. Similarly, if it is in your karma, with meditation and right investment, you will reach heights even if you have started from the scratch. Nobody can stop this process. When we prioritize our well-being and cultivate joy, we align ourselves with the flow of abundance and prosperity in the universe. Joy is a deep sense of happiness, contentment, and gratitude that arises from within. Joy is contagious and radiates positive energy, uplifting ourselves and those around us. Well-being encompasses physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. When we prioritize our well-being, we take care of our bodies, nurture our emotions, cultivate positive thoughts, and connect with our inner selves. Well-being is essential for living a balanced and fulfilling life. Recognize you live in a prosperous universe filled with abundance. Stay open to receive its many blessings. Use gratitude as a magnet and a glue for manifesting and maintaining prosperity. Maintain a daily spiritual practice, join a spiritual community. By spiritual power, you can achieve anything in life. So, embrace the power of spirituality within you. Subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.